Hey guys, welcome. This is Deepika from mytutorialrack.com and I'm bringing to you another interview question related to Java, and the question is, how is an infinite loop declared in Java? So as you know, Java supports three different types of loop. It has for loop, it supports while loop, and it also supports the do while loop. Okay, now if you have to write an infinite loop in for loop, this is how you're going to write it. So in the case of for loop, we are going to say for, and then this quote semicolon, and then another semicolon would be there, and this basically inside of this whatever you will write will run infinitely because there is no starting point and there is no ending point defined in this for loop. Similarly, if you have to define a while loop, which is an infinite loop, you will say while true, means it will always be true, and then anything that you write inside of this while will run infinitely. Similarly, here also we say do this, and then whatever you do and while will say true, and then this is another example of an infinite loop. So this is how you write an infinite loop in Java. I have done a quick demo in the case of using an Eclipse here. So in this, what I've done is inside of my example, I have declared a for loop with just this semicolon, and I've written a simple statement. So when I go ahead and run this, it will run forever until I stop it. So you can see here, it's keep going. So in order for me to stop it, I have to literally cancel this. You have to terminate this program, and that's when it stopped. But you can see here it will run and print infinite loop on the screen forever until I terminate that program. So this is an example of an infinite loop. So you have three different types of loops: for loop, while loop, and do while loop, and I've shown you how to write an infinite loop in all these three ways. I hope you guys are enjoying these tutorials, and I'm going to see you in the next tutorial. Thank you so much.